Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Adobe Premiere Pro for free. So it's really simple. So you need Creative Cloud installed. As you can see, I have it right here. Let it just open. Okay, go to apps. I have currently Fortnite downloading, so the internet's kind of slow. 300 gigabytes. It's usually like a megabyte, I mean. Okay, so as you can see, I already have it installed. So what you want to do, as you can see, if I go down to these apps, I'll have to press try or anything for any app. And once I'll leave the Creative Cloud and the empty lib DOO link in the description. So you have to download Creative Cloud, install it, and then come down here, find Premiere Pro right here, and then press try. And then once you press try, it'll start installing. Once it's done installing, you come to your start menu, right here. You right click, go to more, open file location, and then do that one more time. So select Premiere Pro, go to file location, and then all you have to do, paste this in. And as you can see, I already have it, so I'm not gonna do it. As you can see, it's right there, empty lib DOO. So yeah, then let me just show you guys that it actually works, so no hate comments. It's loading. And as you can see, it's loaded up. This untitled thing is, I was just figuring out how to use it, because I did delete Vegas Pro 15. And yeah, so if I press new project, test, and then here it is. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and by the way, the links are in the description to download these. And yeah, bye.